a road trip today. Oh my god, my phone is ringing.
She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile.
So guys, I'm kind of in a rush and I am packing to go on a road trip. When I get there, I'll do a proper like introduction. Is this button right? I look like a button this one. Oh, I didn't. But yeah. Very random, but I just feel like I needed a break. I'm home. My room is a mess. This is a little dress that I have on, but I'm gonna take a picture so you can get a better. I could have. This just looked like it uneven. Is it? No, it's not. My makeup mess up right here. But yeah, when I get to the location, I will do like a proper introduction to what is happening with me. I am in a rush because it's kind of like a far distance and I don't know if this lighting is working in my bedroom, but yeah. So I'll see you in the next clip. This is so cute. I want to walk away from the music because I am scared of the copyright thing. But I'm on the beach and look, all these people overseas. Let me try to get a shot of. I'm not at my destination as yet, but I'm hungry, so I made a stop. This is what it is. Jamaica is so beautiful, you know. And I'm just gonna give you like a quick room tour. This is the bedroom. It is gorgeous, guys. This is perfect for like a getaway from everyone. There's no TVs, there's nothing, just you and nature. This is the mirror. Okay, this is the mirror area. There are no televisions in here at all. There's a closet space. This is the bed. My favorite part is this. This is beautiful, guys. This is a hammock thing. And look at that view. This is gorgeous. I guess they haven't finished the pool area as yet, but this is gorgeous, guys. I am in Portland. This is Sea Cliff Resort. This is breathtaking. This is exactly what I needed. I just needed a mental break from everything. And guys, it's okay to put your mental health as a priority. If you need to shut down, you don't necessarily have to drive out of town like I did, but taking a break is imperative. I need to do some frontal shots, but I am so taken, my breath is taken away with this beautiful view. Oh my god, guys, do you hear that? That's so nice. This is beautiful, guys. This is a hammock thing. And look at that view. This is gorgeous. I guess they haven't finished the pool area as yet, but this is gorgeous, guys. So hey guys, so I'm doing horrible with this vlog thing, but I just left the resort and I'm gonna get food. Had to use the GPS. Don't know if they have food here. I don't know where this is, but as soon as I find out, I will keep y'all posted. I'm gonna get better at this vlog thing, I promise. So I hope y'all are doing well. Kind of tired, cause I feel like I was driving or just going to meet God. Like, this how far it is, but it's beautiful. It's worth it. Morning, guys. This is the sunrise. I just woke up and I just wanted to show y'all. I know I haven't done a frontal video since I've been videoing. It's because I've been doing a lot, but a frontal view, sorry. This is beautiful. Morning. This is beautiful, guys. I'm sorry, I was telling the other person up in the other room because they're out on their balcony. Good morning, you know. Mother grew me good. I was raised with manners. Even though they don't answer me, I still tell them. But guys, look at how beautiful this is. I'm telling you, Jamaica is such a beautiful country. And I think as Jamaican people living here, you know, for the Jamaican people watching this, like, we have to appreciate this. This is beautiful. Morning, guys. Listen. Okay. Morning, guys. It takes strength to hold this thing up because I have it on a tripod. Oh my god. Hold on. Let me get this right. Is this fine? I don't know. But morning, guys. I don't know. As you can tell from the title, I'm on a little road trip. This is the view. I'm in a hammock, guys. Look at the hammock. Woo! Listen to me. Suppose my fall over, like, I don't know. I think it's safe. Okay. So this is the hammock. I just woke up. Well, not just. So excuse the fact that I have my hair tied up. I don't know, this one. This is like some deep curly hair that I recently got sewn in. But yeah, I just woke up. Let me put this. I just woke up and I washed my face with the vitamin C cleanser that was in the haul, because I said that most of the products I will be using them to give back a feedback. And if my face is looking a little shiny, I moisturize with avocado oil. So I'm in Portland and I'm in a hammock. You know, I am trying to capture the moment. I am trying to, you know, video and vlog as much as I can. But honestly, this trip, you know, it was a birthday gift. I appreciate it. I really wanted to take a mental break from everyone, from everything. Guys, this arm strength thing is serious. I think I'm gonna get like super fit when it comes to my arms after. Sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder, but I will get better at this vlogging thing. But I probably should stop swinging because I don't want y'all to get dizzy. But let me use, I think I'm stronger in with this hand. But yeah, I wanted to do, you know, a vlog based on this road trip to, you know, show persons how beautiful our island is. But yeah, I wanted to do this trip, not necessarily like Portland or whatever, but I've always wanted to come to Portland. I've just never had the opportunity to come here, and I'm here now, and Portland is beautiful. Portland is gorgeous. I would live here after retirement because, you know, you're gonna need that bag. But I wanted to do a quick video on mental health and the importance of mental health. No, like, I am no doctor. I'm no professional. I can't diagnose anything, but I only can talk about, you know, my experience with certain things. And the channel is simply Danzy. Guys, I hope that you are subscribing. I hope that you're liking and sharing, you know, the videos with your friends and your family. You know, we want to grow over here. I need to stop saying this over here thing because my friends keep laughing at me with this over here thing. But, you know, we are a little family, and I want to grow this little family. You know, I want more females, you know, coming in and you know, just learning, and we're gonna grow together. I was saying about this thing with the tripod. I stress out, man. But anyways, my face is shiny, you know, because I never come here and never wash my face on the vlog and just be like, I wanted to wash my face and brush my teeth for all of y'all. But yeah, I was gonna talk about mental health. I'm straying. Remember I told you on to get to know me that I stray every now and then when I'm talking. But mental health is like really, you should make it a priority. In Jamaica, you know, the culture here, I feel like we don't take this mental health very serious. I don't think anybody, you know, them just say, oh, if somebody is not well, or them see like a person walking, or they're doing something strange, oh, she's sick her head, or him sick her head, or a madman or a madwoman. That is how they look on it. And mental health not necessarily means say you go walk around like a mad out and them stuff there. But depression and anxiety, I touched a little bit on it in my get to know me video. If you haven't watched it as yet, I'm going to attach something, a tag here that you can click and watch it. But anxiety is, it has to do with mental health. You know, anything that affects your mental, that's what contributes to the mental health, to me. I don't know. As I said, I'm no professional. I only can speak about what happens to me or what happened to me, you know, because this is simply Danzy, and I am going to be transparent and authentic. So yeah, what I was saying is that it is okay to go in isolation. You don't necessarily have to get up and leave everywhere, but turn off the phones and turn off, you know, shut out the world for a minute if you need to. I know the importance of it. It does a lot for me. I call it, you know, recharging. Because, you know, so when your phone dead, you have to plug in your phone and charge up your phone for you to be able to use it again. I don't know why my words are coming out like this. Maybe because this is a very touchy subject, but it is okay, guys, to isolate yourself or to turn off your phone for a minute. Or the technology can distract you so much, and it can control you here, and you have to take control of your life. So I said to myself for the past couple of years that when I feel like I need to recharge, I'm going to shut down and shut out everybody who I need to shut out and recharge, you know, because we are not robots, we are human beings, and your mental health should be a priority. Don't make nobody tell you say you're sick in your head for one, or you're selfish just because you want a minute to yourself. You have to recharge. You know, if you're doing business, if you are going to school, if you're doing anything, you have to take a break and recharge. How else you gonna get like fresh ideas? How is it that you're gonna feel like, all right, I'm motivated? Because if you're just going and you're not taking a time to, you know, relax, then you won't, to me, I don't think you will you know, come up with new ideas or feel motivated. Why? Me need to come up with a new idea on how to vlog with this thing, because this is a lot of arm strength, but I am going to do it for y'all because I love y'all. But yeah, it is important, ladies and gentlemen, if you're over here, to take time for you. It's fine if you have kids, take time for yourself. I don't know how, I can't speak on that because I don't have kids as yet, but take some time for you. And you don't necessarily have to get up and go anywhere, but find a little corner somewhere and just or sleep or just relax. I am a nature lover, so wherever nature is, I'm there. I am there. So I don't know, today I'm supposed to go to the beach. I need to get some breakfast because I'm hungry, but I'm going to try to vlog as much as possible because I want to give you all good content. That's very important to me, and I believe that anything that I do, I have to put 150% in it. So I'm gonna try my best to make this vlog interesting, but really and truly, I really wanted this minute to not work or think about work, but I'm gonna, you know, every now and then I'm gonna vlog some stuff so I can have content. But I am really taking this time to rest. I need some R&R, and I'm just saying, guys, a little tip for this video: take some time for you. Think about your mental health. Depression, anxiety, all of that, it can drive you crazy, and I feel one way of, you know, controlling it to some extent. I'm not saying you can't get professional help. I'm just saying something that doesn't cost you anything. You know, it's free 99. Take a minute for yourself. Turn off the phones, lock off everybody for a minute, guys. Take it from me. Listen, my anxiety, I had an anxiety attack one time, and I swear, like, me could have swear that this was it for me, because I start panic, and then I'm asthmatic, and I just realized that a lot of times when these things happen to me, I just need to calm down, shut out everybody, and breathe. And it sounds so simple, but it works. And pray, have faith, connect to your spiritual being. My spiritual being, I think it exists in nature, so I revert to nature anytime I'm feeling out of it. So you have to find your happy place. Is the camera shaking on this thing, guys? So stress me out. But yes, connect with your spiritual being and connect with what calms you down. You know, some people smoke, some people drink, some people do all type of things, but I think just take a minute. It can start there. Just take a minute for yourself. Okay, so I'll see y'all in the next clip. Man, stress out. came to get breakfast, but I don't know, maybe I'm early. But look at the view. Am I looking at the viewfinder? It's so cute, guys. I need to fix this hair. I didn't spray it or anything. I just pretty much went to bed and I woke up back with it. Yeah, I kind of changed my, I put on some joggers and like my Crocs, and I still have the sweater on because I was like being respectful. I was just gonna come out here without my sweater on, but I'm being respectful because I know you have people here, you know, with their partner, and you know, I don't know, I'm just weird like that. It's not even respectful alone, guys. I just feel like I just added a sweater to this because I don't know about anybody else, but I am the type of person, like my bag across my body, like a crossbody bag, and a sweater is like a comfort thing for me. It's hot, it's really hot, it's a comfort thing for me. So I had to take out my glasses from out of the sun because I have transition lens in it, and the sun, I don't think the sun is supposed to, you know, touch it. Woo! Guys, it's only make my butt my toe because I'm looking in the camera. But yes, this is beautiful. Look at that. I'm looking at the viewfinder. Isn't it gorgeous? Hold on. Getting breakfast? No. Then I should be heading to the beach today. I don't know, I want to check out the Blue Lagoon, and I want to probably do like Frenchman Cove. I keep saying Frenchman because the party is called Frenchman, but yeah, I'm gonna get some food and stuff. So trying not to get anybody in my shots because I don't want nobody to sue me. Okay, so this is breakfast: mackerel rendon and boiled food. Okay, so this is another area of the property, guys. It's beautiful. I am such a sucker for nature. Where's my phone? But yeah, guys, this is so nice. So guys, this is the exterior of the property. Alright guys, so I was going back to the room and I think that is like a legit crab. Like in real. Am I move? Wait, am I look for me? Wait. I think the crab will look for me. I like what is this decor? I'm trying to, people might try to figure out if this is a part of the decor. I don't think so. I really don't think this is a part of the decor. Alright, well, I see a broom right there. I don't know if the broom have nothing to do with the crab. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna get ready to go to the beach. The room is a little bit messy, so quick outfit of the day, beach edition. I don't know if that makes sense, but I got this cover up and this swimwear from Forever Alamo. It's on Instagram. This glasses is, I think this was Aldo's. I have it for some points in time now, and this glasses from Aldo's. I've had it for a while now. Hat from Forever Alamo, and this bag, I have something in it. I actually got it from a local craftsman. So this is like my official beach bag, so you will be seeing that bag a lot. It holds a lot, you know. So a quick little outfit of the day. So I'm kind of shy, you know, getting in my swimwear on camera, but we'll see how best, you know, I can work that out. So yeah.